Hello guys. This is God's power again. So today I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money online for free. Timebox. So as you can see, this is how the website look. It's a very simple website interface that you can just see on the screen right now, and you can use it on your smartphone, you can use it on your computer, and it's very simple to use. So how you make money with this website is by you complete a task, you will get paid. You like people post on Facebook, you will get paid. Watch people video on YouTube, you will get paid. Playing games, you will get paid. You get paid in multiple ways, and you can even create a campaign. Let me say if you want to grow your YouTube channel or boost something online, you can still create a campaign on this website, which is you can do multiple things on this website. You can complete a task and you can create a task for people to do, like you create a job and people can still do those tasks and you will pay them money for doing that. And you can do other people job and you will get paid. So I will show you everything on this video and how you can do that. So to sign up is very simple. You can just go through the website to see the interface. So they have daily bonus if you sign up. So if you are a new user, to sign up on this website, they will give you $1 for just signing up. So my link, the first link in the description, it will take you to my website where you will find, you just scroll down from my website, you will find a list of all the whole application you can use. You will find Timebox from there and you can now click it, and yeah. So that is what you need to do. Let me say if you are not able to locate Timebox from my website, let me show you how you can do that. So when you click on the first link, it will take you to this website. Just scroll down and just come to this section here. You see there's a list of a lot of websites I have listed on my website, on my main website here. So you can just click on this section that you see Timebox at the bottom there. Click on it, Timebox VC site. You can just click there. It will take you to Timebox. You see it just take us to Timebox and you have to register. You can register. To register on Timebox is very simple. You can register with your Facebook account, or you can register directly with your Gmail account. So I advise you and I recommend you to use your Gmail account and password, and it's very good because that is how you will be able to have your password and you have your Gmail, so that when they send you verification email, you can go and click it and verify your account, so that you'll be able to be logging into your account anytime you want. Is preferable. So to sign up, just enter your password and enter your password there, enter your email account, and you are good to go. So once you have entered all those information, accept that you are not a robot and click on register. So you see register at the bottom. You click on register and it will sign you up immediately. And let me click on sign up to enter all the information. So when I click on that, it will take me to this section asking me to enter all those my information. But because I don't want to do that, I will just enter my information and enter my email password and click on log me in here, and automatically it will log you into your account if you already have your account created. So that is the things I need to talk about concerning the signing up method. And yeah, that is only what I want to talk about here. And yeah, you can see enter your email account and enter your password, re-enter your password, accept that you are not a robot, and sign me up. So they will send you an email telling you to verify your account. So that is what we need to talk about the registration. So once you are done with that, you need to come back again to Timebox and you click on the login session. So once you click on the login session, so it's going to ask you to enter your password and your email account. Enter your email account and password. So once you have entered that, so you click on log in here. So once you click on that, your account will be opened and you can start taking surveys. So let me show you how you can take surveys and get paid in a very simple way. And I'll also show you how you can create campaign or try to promote your own business or anything on Timebox. So I will show you how you can make money. So we just need to register, log in. I will log into my account and I will still show you proof that I have received money from Timebox. So once it open, this thing you can see here, it always pop up. So you just need to cancel it. But if you want it, you can leave it just to change the language if you want. But if you want to do that, so this is the dashboard of Timebox. So this is the dashboard. If I click on this icon here, click on dashboard, you will see that it will still bring us here again. So this is the dashboard of the website. This is my earning. You can see that I have earned $10 on this website, which is not a lot, but at least I have made money from this website, which is Timebucks. So how you can make money is to click on this section here that say dashboard. You click on earnings, You click on earnings here. So once you click on earnings here, you will now see here you will find how here you will find the people you refer to this program, how much they are making. And because if you refer people to this program, you are going to be making money if you refer people to this program. So that is the first thing the first part I need to talk about. So if if you want to start any money, like I said, you click on this icon, click on earn. So once you click on earn on this session, you will find multiple ways that you can use to earn money from this website. So you can see here that says surveys. So once you click on these sessions here, you will come down, just scroll down, you will see that you will take surveys here. You will see that there's a lot of websites you can take surveys from that will pay you real money. You can see 80 cents, 40 cents, 20 cents, $1. It keeps on going. So you can take all those surveys. Once you complete it according to the time they ask you to spend on the survey, you will get paid. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. You can see multiple surveys that you can take and get paid for doing that. So that is what I need to talk about this session here. So let us go back again. So if you click on this content session here, this session, you will see that you can make money for clicks. So I will just verify these captures. So you can see that you can make money for clicking if you click this video here, it will take you to YouTube, and the video will play on YouTube for 60 seconds to 5 seconds. As you can see, say view the content for 5 seconds and you will get paid for 3 cents. So that is how you do task on this website. Let us go back again. And if you go back again to task, if you come to this session that says task and you click on task here, so you will find this session that says task. You fill the type of task that you can complete and you will get paid a lot of money for completing task. You can see this person is going to pay you $2 for signing up on this website, and you have to follow instructions. So once you click on instruction here, view instruction, so it will now show you instruction of what the person wants for you to be able to make this $2 from them. So yeah, it keeps on going. So it keeps on going, it keeps on going. One thing I need to talk about again, with this method, you can use it on your computer too. It's not only on smartphone. You can use this website. So you can use it on your smartphone. You can use it on your computer. It depends on you, or on your laptop. So that is what I need to talk about. So if you click on any survey here, you need to make sure you click instruction, view instruction, so that you see what the person is telling you to do. If it's something you can do, and you follow the instruction. So that is what you need to know about that area. So let us go back again. So you see that they have multiple ways. Referral. So if I click on referral here, so you will see that here that you can refer people to this program. You will make money for referring people to this program. So here you will find how much you will make. You see that you will get paid 15% of the any for any referral your friend for any referral to Timebucks. That means your referral in $10, you will earn $1.50 commission. Yes, $50 commission. Don't refer commission on their bonus. You will only earn the referral. You will only earn referral commission if your referral has verified their ID. Once they verify their ID, you will receive $2 bonus to make up for the lost commission anyway. So yeah, you see that you will make a lot of money at the end of the day for spending a lot of time referring people to this program. So yeah, that is the things you need to know. You say you will earn 10% commission on any advertising fund get deposited by any user. So if they deposit $100, you will get $10 commission. So yeah, you can see that you even make money if they deposit money to advertise on Timebucks, because if you remember, I told you that Timebucks have advertising platform that you can advertise on, advertise your product and website on Timebucks, and you will get paid. You will pay people for doing that. Sorry, you will pay people for completing that task for you, like doing a task for you. Or if you post ad on Timebucks, people are going to go through and participate on that ad, and once they are done doing that, you will pay them money for doing that. So yeah, that is what I need to talk about on this area. Yeah, So you see now that you can make money for referring people. So let us go back again. So if you come here again on AliExpress, you can see that you can even shop from AliExpress. You can get paid too for doing that. So you can see that shopping from AliExpress, you are going to get paid. You can just go through to see the category of the products that you will shop from and get paid from AliExpress. So that is what you need to know about this session. Let us go back. And this offer wall, this session here, you can see that is a place where you can take survey, watch videos. So you can see that even Hideout TV is here. Hideout TV is a platform, is a website that allows people like you and me to watch videos, and we get paid for doing that. So that is what you need to know about Hideout TV. So let us go back again. And if you come to premium, this premium plan is a session. This is another area where you will multiply your earning for becoming Timebucks premium plan. So like if you make so on this session that say premium plan, if I click on it, no, I didn't click on it, it take me to another place. So if I click on the premium plan, it will open. So you will see that is telling us that if we become a premium plan of Timebucks, like if we upgrade our account on Timebucks, we'll be making 15% of any amount we get from that date we start using Timebucks. From that day, from that date we start we upgrade our account to premium plan. From that day, any money we get is going to be is 25% or is going to be added into that. We are going to make, let me just make it clear, we are going to be making extra 25% for from anything we do. So that is what you need to know. So if you want to do that, you can do that, but I recommend you to stick with the free one because you don't want to be paying money for just making money too. So just stick with the free one, and that is what I recommend. And that is all I need to talk about. So they have sweepstakes. So sweepstakes like kind of a challenge where you participate, and you just need to participate on the daily plan. And if you win, you might get a bonus at the end of the day. You get a reward for doing that, but those ones are not necessary. You already know the necessary things. And yeah, so let me show you how you can create a campaign on this platform. So if I click on this section here that say advertise at the top here, if I click on advertise here, so you will see that you can you can add money to your account. If I click on this section, add funds, I will click on add funds. You can see that I have $6 on my account, on my advertising account. So if you want to add funds, you just need to scroll down and enter your card, and the minimum amount you can add is $20. So you add your money. Once you have added your money, to start creating your ad is to go back again to that advertising session and go back to the advertising session here. So come here again, go to advertise and click on task. So if you click on task here, it will tell you to create a campaign. So let us say we want to create a campaign. We'll just click on create campaign, and here you are going to go down. You select the category of the campaign you want to create. Let me say if it's engagement, social media, anything you just wish. Click on, let me say, social media engagement. I will come down here, I'll say okay, YouTube engagement or Instagram engagement, and I will write what I want to the title of what I want. And here I'll select the country I want to send the ad to. I want the ad to display from, and I can select the devices if I want the device I want to target, the Windows, the Android, or if I want to target Windows, Android, or Youngs, and I can target the browser I want to use. You can add your own if you want. You can target male or female, and here you can add how long it will take you for you to approve anybody that participates on this task. Here you can select the age of the person, and here you don't need it. You don't need to do here. You put the amount you want to pay each person that do this task. So you can see that you can pay up, the minimum amount you can pay is 1 cent. That is the minimum amount, the lowest amount you can pay to people on this task. And you can scroll down here. You can enter your budget, how much you want to be spending daily, and you can scroll down here the requirement of the content of your campaign. And once you have entered that, and ask them to send you a screenshot and test that they did the task. And here you can select how many times you want them to do the task, every 3 minutes, every 5 minutes, or once forever. And here you can attach a kind of what they are supposed to do. So the instruction of what they are supposed to do, if you do it, you can do it on PDF and add the file to this place. And when they click on it, they will see what they want to do, but you can leave it. It's optional, but it depends on you. So once you are through adding all those information we just talked about, you click on submit and submit for approval, and you are good to go. So that is how you can create a campaign on this website, and you can see it's very cheap. So yeah, that is how you can create a campaign on this website, which is called Timebucks. You can make money and you can still create a campaign. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. So let me show you proof that I've received money into my Bitcoin account from this website. Let me show you. So if I click on this icon here, menu icon, I click on this menu icon and I click on payment. So you can see that I have received $10.68 into my Bitcoin wallet account, because it's a Bitcoin wallet I choose that I want to use to receive my money. And one thing I like about Timebox is sending out their payment out in every week. Once you hit the minimum amount of cashing out, the minimum amount to cash out your money is the minimum amount to cash out is $10. So if you have $10, you will be eligible to cash out your money. So every week they used to send out payments. So once you hit $10, the payment will be sent into your paper account or into your Bitcoin wallet or any other payment method, or into your bank account that you choose to receive your money from. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. So I take my time to go through every step and every area of this video. I hope that you find it interesting. So if you find it interesting, don't forget again to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. So I'm going to end the video from here. Don't forget to go and check out my website, which is www.hugo'spower.com, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. All the links of all my social media will be in the description below, so you can check them out and contact me if you wish. And I'll say thank you for watching and peace. See you soon on my next video.